We're following breaking news right now. A little more than an hour ago, Michael Johnson, the man accused of killing Phylicia Barnes, became a free man. A judge acquitted him after a motion by the defense. Johnson is the only person to ever face charges for the murder of 16-year-old Barnes. She was visiting family in Baltimore in 2010 when she disappeared. Her body was later found in the Susquehanna River. WJZ's Live, Kimberly Eaton is at Courthouse East, where the judge announced his decision a short time ago. Kimberly.
Well, Vic, late this afternoon, the judge said there simply wasn't enough evidence to tie Michael Johnson to the murder of Phylicia Barnes. And as you mentioned, he acquitted Johnson before the defense even argued their case, a decision that left both sides in tears.
Excuse us. Come on, right here, bro.
Silently leaving through the side entrance of the courthouse, Michael Johnson said nothing, giving cameras only a gesture as he drove away from his third and likely final trial.
We have at all times asserted Michael Johnson's complete innocence. We grieve for the Barnes family and this tragedy, but convicting an innocent man is not justice for Phylicia Barnes.
Just 1 hour before, his case came to a sudden end. After 4 weeks and more than 24 state witnesses, his defense asked the judge to acquit their client. He did. Judge Charles Peters telling the court, quote, "The bottom line is there are far too many questions left unanswered about what happened to Ms. Barnes and how the defendant is connected to her murder."
No comment at this time.
That has been the challenge for prosecutors time and time again, trying to prove Johnson killed 16-year-old Phylicia Barnes. The North Carolina honor student was visiting her half-sister, Johnson's ex-girlfriend, in Baltimore when she vanished just after Christmas 2010. A desperate manhunt turned up nothing until months later when Barnes' body surfaced in the Susquehanna River. In the years since, Johnson has stood trial twice for her death, the state unable to score a conviction that sticks. Late Friday afternoon, that history repeated.
We are just so grateful that Mr. Johnson can move forward with his life as he deserves to do. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And as prosecutors left the courthouse today, they declined to comment. We did later get a statement from the state's attorney's office saying they believed that they were prosecuting the man responsible for the crime, but, quote, the justice system has run its course. Reporting live in downtown Baltimore, I'm Kimberly Eaton for WJZ.
Kimberly, thank you. This is the third trial that has ended with Michael Johnson not being convicted.